everybody, 26 here, and today this is not going to be a very long video because I don't have very much time today, but today we are going to be learning about randomness in batch, and yeah, we will be making a dice program that has 2 dice and it adds up the total for you. So let's get started on that. Okay, so the first thing we need to know here is that you can randomize a number anywhere from 0 to 32,767. Okay? And now, to randomize a number, you have to use the set/a command, and then, of course, your variable, which in this case we'll use num. Okay? And then, and you don't need the percent signs because it knows automatically that this is going to be a variable. It's expecting a variable. Then you say it equals, and then you say percent random percent. Now, if we just take off this here, this will just give us a random number between 0 and 32,767. So if we try this, let's try it once or twice. The first time we got 3,969. The second time now we've got 3,985. So maybe let's just try that once more. We get 4,004. Okay, so it's a random number. And now, if we want to, say, display a number between 0 and 10, we go like that. Percent, and then the maximum number. So that's how we get a number between 0 and 10. So if we try this, we'll get a number between 0 and 10. We got 3. Let's try that again. We got 3 again this time. This time we got 2. This time we got 2 again. This time we got 2. This time we got 2. That's 4 times in a row. We got 2 again. This time we got 8. This time we got 8. This time we got 4. Okay, so it is pretty random. Those 2s were kind of strange there, but anyways. And now, if we want a number between, say, 2 and 10, we say plus 2. But what this can give us, this can actually make the number, this actually makes the number between 2 and 12, because it adds 2 onto whatever our answer is, pretty much. That's what this does. So if we want it between 2 and 10, we have to make that minus 2. So we make that 8. So then this will make a number between 2 and 8. So let's try that. This time we got 4. This time we got... Oh yeah, 9. We're doing 10, sorry. I got confused there. Okay, so that's pretty much how this works here. The random number, okay? So if we want to make a dice program, first we have to make die 1. And of course, dies have between 1 and 6 on them, so we'll do set/a die 1 equal to random and then %5 plus 1, because it'll take the number, it'll take either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 and add 1. So if it's 0, the number will become 1. If it's 1, the number will become 2. And if it's 2, the number will become 3. And if it's 3, the number will become 4. And if it's 4, the number will become 5. And if it's 5, the number will be 6. So that's, yeah. So then, let's copy this code here. And we are going to make a die 2. And same thing here. And then, we're going to go set/a dice total, and we are going to say equal to, and now we need to use our percent signs, remember? So here it's die 1, and in these percent signs it's die 2. Okay, so it's going to set die total equal to the sum of these. Okay, so now we're going to say, we're going to echo die die, or one die shows, and then we're going to show what die 1 said, period. Then we say die 2 shows, and then here we say die 2 in these percent signs. So this is going to say 1 die shows. So if die 1 is 2 and die 2 is 3, then it's going to say 1 die shows 2, die 2 shows 3, the total is, and then it is going to display dice total, period. Okay? So, and then if you, how about this? If you press a key, then it'll go back to start, which we will make right here. And it is going, so go to start, it'll bring us back up here, and then it'll say, how about this? It'll say press any key to roll the dice, and then it'll pause. And we'll add a quick little title here. I guess our title will be dice. Okay, so it sets echo off, and that's just, we don't really need that, but, and then the title is dice, and then we have our sign here showing the go-to position for the go-to statement down here. And then we have echo, press any key to roll the dice, pause, it waits for the key to be pressed, and then it randomizes 2 dice, and then it adds them together. It says one die shows what that die showed, and then die 2 shows what that die showed, and then it says the total is whatever the total was. And then it waits and it goes back to the top. Or maybe we'll just let it, yeah, we need to do that. So, oh, and of course, a CLS statement to clear the screen. Okay? So, yeah, maybe let's try this out real quick here. So, press any key to roll the dice. So you press key, 1 die shows 3, die 2 shows 1, the total is 4. Okay, 1 die shows 1, die 2 shows 4, the total is 5. 3 and 5, 8, 3 and 3, 6, 3 and 2, 5, 1 and 4, 5, 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7. So, as you can see, it's pretty random each time. And, yeah, I think that'll be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Private message me if you have any questions or whatever. Just thanks, and look out for next week's episode. Bye.